Hi guys, namaskaram. So today I'm going to talk about the format of teaching when we teach yoga and why learning from a qualified teacher and learning through a live process is so important. There are definitely practices, the simpler practices that can be learnt online, and that is available on YouTube as well as on the Sadhguru app. These are the simpler practices known as Isha Upayoga. The core Hatha Yoga practices, of course, like Surya Kriya, Angamardana, Yogasanas, Bhuta Shuddhi, all these require you to attend a live session and be taught in that format. And it's really important because it's not just something that you're seeing and copying or sort of just looking at it from a purely physical perspective. It is a live process. Think of it as in terms of a transmission. Why practicality would make you think that just learning it remotely over a video conference or through a webinar or something might be more convenient and practical. But that is when you're looking at yoga as purely an exercise form, which doesn't even begin to cover what yoga is. It is such a powerful and such a potent process that simply seeing it as a physical practice that can be taught online would simply dilute that. And the reason why it's important to learn from a qualified teacher is because something that can have so much benefit to your system, to your energies, to your overall well-being, if it's not done in the right way, it can definitely also be harmful to you.